Dangerous core of Hurricane Alpha expected to reach the Florida East Coast tomorrow afternoon. A hurricane warning is in effect along the entire Florida East Coast. A hurricane warning is also in effect for the northwestern Bahamas. Preparations to protect life and property in the warning area should be rushed to completion. An evacuation order is also in effect for the following areas and counties: the Florida Keys, Miami-Dade, Broward, Collier, Lee, Hendry, Palm Beach, Martin, St. Louis, Glades, Okeechobee, Highlands, Indian River, and Brevard counties. All residents of these areas must evacuate to avoid this potential storm of the century. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, VI Alpha was located near latitude 27.1 north, longitude 76.8 west, or about 255 miles east of West Palm Beach, Florida. Alpha has been moving at 14 miles per hour for the past few hours. The core of Alpha will continue near or over the remainder of the northwestern Bahamas during the next few hours and will reach the Florida East Coast tomorrow afternoon. Alpha is an extremely dangerous Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale, with maximum sustained winds near 180 miles per hour and higher gusts. Some additional strengthening is possible before landfall in Florida. Stronger winds, especially in gusts, are likely to occur on high-rise buildings. Hurricane-force winds extend outward up to 125 miles from the center, and tropical storm-force winds extend outward up to 300 miles. Latest minimum pressure central pressure reported by a Hurricane Hunter plane, 902 millibars, 27.25 inches. Coastal storm surge flooding of 16 to 24 feet above normal tide levels, along with large and dangerous battering waves, can be expected near and to the north of where Alpha makes landfall along the Florida East Coast. A storm surge of up to 10 feet above the present water level is likely to occur mainly on the east side of Lake Okeechobee. Tides of 10 to 15 feet above normal are possible in the warned area along the Florida West Coast. Rainfall totals of 12 to 18 inches, with isolated higher amounts, are possible along the track of Alpha over the northwestern Bahamas and Florida. Isolated tornadoes are possible over Florida Peninsula for the duration of the storm. If you have not evacuated, do so immediately. When the storm hits, you may be inundated with water and not be able to escape. As soon as wind gusts reach hurricane force, Interstates 95, 595, and 75 will be closed to all traffic where hurricane warnings have been issued. Repeating the 5 p.m. position: 27.1 north, 76.8 west. Movement toward west near 14 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds, 175 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure, 902 millibars. Intermediate advisories will be issued by the National Hurricane Center at 7 and 9 p.m., followed by the next complete advisory at 11 p.m.